Hi guys. So again we are back. So yesterday was a Sunday. So Sunday normally I don't do recordings. So all other days I used to do recordings. So today I had bought you a small Python program which is really useful for you guys. That is removing all duplicate words from the given sentence. That means you are giving a sentence like this. Python is great. Java is also great, like this kind of sentence. In that, you can see how many duplicates are there. You can see is 2 times and great is also 2 times. So it will be removed and it will get you like this, like is also and Java. So you can see the sentence won't be like in a proper part, you won't get any duplicates. You from the sentence, you will be getting only the unique words. So if you have a sentence like that, he will be removed all your duplicates and only one time it will be given and all words will given. Python is there, is there, great is there, and is there, Java is also there, and also is there. So like this, we need to get the output. For that, what we have to do, let's start doing that. Okay. Now, let me take to the notepad and we will start writing the code right now. So as I told you, we will write the code in the notepad. And this time I'm taking you to ideally and I'm going to put execute it on the ideally. That's why last class I had showed you how to install ideally. So I'm going to do it on through the ideally. So you guys can all can be do it through the ideally. Or if you feel that if you don't have ideally or not installed, you are in somewhere in college or somewhere, you can use through Python compiler also. You can execute that. This will be executed through the Python compiler also. Okay. So let us do the program, guys. So let us do the program. So what we have to do is we have to or to remove the duplicate words from the sentence, right? So that is our point, right? So let us do. So I will put a comment. Okay, what is that? Python program to remove. So my point is to remove all duplicates, duplicate words from a given sentence. So whatever sentence you given, it will be removed the duplicates. Okay. So from the given sentence, this is my thing. Okay. So now let's do the coding. Okay. So for that, what we do, I'm going to give a sentence like this. So I'm just inputting this, not inputting, I'm just hard coding the sentence over here only. So right now you test it like this. Python is great. And Java is also great. So how many duplicate words are there? It has to be removed. Okay. So that is what. Now I'm going to create a function. I'm going to create a function. So here what I'm going to do is remove, I say duplicate. My function is remove duplicates. Okay. So in that, I need to pass this sentence. I need to pass this one. Okay. So this is my function over here. So I'm going to write the function on the top here. Okay. So function procedure is def. Then what is my function name? Remove duplicate. Okay. Remove duplicate and the sentence need to be passed over here. Sentence need to be passed. So whenever you do function, you have to put the indentation and one tab inside. So what is that I need to take words, right? So I gave a variable called words is equal to sentence. So that sentence I need to split it. So for that I use a function called dot split. So for that, I use a function called dot split. If you use a function called dot split, and where you want to split, you can see that I wanted to split with the spaces. So I'll say in quotes, split with space. So if I say in quotes, split with space, it will be splitting that. So, okay. So it will split everything. Like for example, first it will split with Python, keep the word, and program, put the word to write that. So what is that word? So right now, sorry, I am giving the word here, right? Python is great and Java is also great. So these all words are going here in this word. So that only will be like, it will be act like a list there. So, okay. So it will all split and put there. And then I use another variable called result. That I am going to make it as an empty list. I want this as an empty list. Okay. Now I use for, I'm creating a variable called word and connecting to my list array. List is called words. So you see, it has been splitted everything and put it in here, right? So I connected to words. Words here, I connected. Now indentation has to be done. Now inside that, what I am going to do is, I said if word, if that word, not in is a special operator in Python. Not in result. So result is an array. In that I'm capturing all the words here, right? Okay, all the unique words here. So first it won't have anything. If my word, so he will first take the word called Python and give it to word, and that word will check whether it's not there. Right now it is not there. Okay, then what you have to do is, what is telling is, you have to result. If no word is not in the list, you append that word. Append the word over there. Okay. That's the only thing we have to do. Append the word. If not there, if it is there, don't append. Okay. Don't append. If not there, append the word. Okay. So you said that. Then okay, fine. Now what I wanted is to, I am returning while I'm returning by joining as a sentence these words. Which word? Result word. Result word I'm returning with joining. For joining, I should say in double quotes dot join. And what has to return? Result. The result has to return. So that's it. That's it. You will get the sentence which without duplicated. Okay. So this is my program. So what I'm returning here, right? So I will do directly with here print. I will do it as a print. So directly print so that I will get the sentence without any duplication, right? Without any duplicates. Okay. Now let's do this we will see how the output comes. Okay. And now we will go to the notepad and we will just do the logic here. Okay. Now let's see the notepad. So my stuff is Python is great. Python is great. And Java is also great. That is my stuff over here, right, guys? So now how will it go? This sentence, I am passing it in the remove duplicate. And that is coming here. And this in the words, you can see in my words, if you see, this will come like this. Each one will be coming like Python. Like, Python. Then is, then great, like that, then, and then you will be having another word is called Java, Java. Then you will have a Java J capital, right? As it is, it will be coming. Java. then we have is, then we have also, then we have great. So these are the words it captured in this list, okay? So it got in the list. So what will it do? Each word, it will go and give it to the word, okay? It will go and give it to the word, right? So first it will capture for the word, it will be like having the Python. Python word will be there. So initially when you see in the result array, we will put a result array with a blank list. It's a blank list which doesn't have anything. So what is that we are telling? If you don't have anything, not in means if you don't have anything, append it to the result. So the result array right now got this one word, that is Python. Python word you got, right? So result array got one word. Okay. Now again go to the next word. The next word it will be like is. So you will be getting two words result array, right? So it is these also it is not there. So you are result array is appending. I'm doing appending, right? So it will be the is. Then again you can see that the result word doesn't have a greater. So that is appending great also, like that it keeps on going. Again it you can see that it will be like appending and is also not there. So you can see that the result array will be appended with and also. Now again, if you see the result array will be appended with Java also. You can see Java is also not there, guys. So again, you can see the result array will be appended. When it comes to is again, you can see is there, right? So the result array won't give you is. And when it comes to also, you can see also is not there, right? So result array will append with the also without is. So is won't be, again it won't get appended. So you can see that is won't come here again. Only also will come, right? So you can see again, you go here, the result array great is also there in the words. It's there in the result array. You can see the great is also there. So it won't use that great again. So is also it is removed. Is also it won't append. And great also it won't append. So you can see all unique words only you'll get it. So this is how he will remove the duplicate. And this array, he will give it. He will say return. So you are having an array which is in the form of like, you are having a list which is in the form of like this. So this list you are telling to join. So when you are telling to join back, it will join as a sentence and return to here. So what you're doing here, you are telling to print the duplicates. So this is what you are doing over here. Okay. Now let's do it in our ideally. So to open the ideally, what we have to do, we have to go to our IDLE. Click on ideally. So last time we had installed 3.13. So we will take 3.13 only. And just click on 3.13 ideally. And it will be opening like this. You can see, have a look here. So it has been opened. Now you go here and click on the new file. Okay, you will get that file. Come here and copy your program. Copy your program, what you have written on the notepad, right? So you just copied your notepad and just go here and write it on your this one. Okay. Now make sure that your tab should be proper. Okay. Indentation should be proper. Otherwise, this Python will give you error. You make sure your tab should be proper. Okay. So I'm just putting the tabs, everything in a proper way. Okay. Now fine. So everything is fine now. Now I'll do as a file and I'll give the file as save as. I'll take them to my file to save it. Just you wherever which location you guys feel it, you just take that and put it into the file and do the testing. Okay, so I say remove word, remove word duplicate. Okay, so I said the remove word duplicate. You can also use a meaningful name and don't give a Python file. It is already py only. Okay, so you don't have to select anything. Just give as it is like that Python file and click on the save. Fine, that's enough. So you can see the file has been saved. Now just go here and say run module. So you can see there was a tab indentation space thing is there. So what you have to do is just go the file and put the tab indentation again. Okay, now we did the tab indentation. Again Control S, again go here and run module. So you can see again there is an error is there. So I will see the error here. It's split, empty split. Okay. So I'll see the word here. So what it is telling, word not in list. Okay. So here we said sentence dot split. So sentence, it is like here, the sentence we had given here, that we had spent it here. Okay, now the sentence came here and we have told them to split it. Okay, you have to put a space. That's it. So now see, you got it, guys. So you see it is all together is coming. So what I'll try to do is again, I will put a space here. In this return, I'll just put a space so that you can see that it will come again. You see, Python is great and Java also. So you can see no words are not repeated. So this is how you will get, right? So guys, just put a space on the split and just put a space on the while returning dot, while you put dot join, just put a space so that it will come nicely like this, okay? So whatever words you are giving, it will remove the duplicates and it will get you in that word, in this word, and then what we are trying to tell, we are trying to tell to return by the result. In the result all the non-duplicate words are there, so that I am joining it with space and giving it back to the print. So I hope you guys understood about that. So whatever words you wanted, you guys put here and try it out. Even you guys can input also and try it out and see that whether are you getting all the things. So I hope you have understood about how to do our remove duplicate words from the sentence. So you guys, everybody should try it out so that you can learn easily. So easy. It doesn't have so many sentences. It's very easy. Everyone should try it out. So next, again from next day, I'm coming up with another program. Please do like and subscribe and even put the notification. So you can study everyone, even share with your friends also, share with everybody. Let everyone learn. So, okay, so Python will become so easy for you guys. Please do subscribe and like, and even put any program if you want, put it on the comment section. And if you feel that okay, it really helpful and needed for you in anywhere in your places, so just put a comment, okay? So it will be like happy for me to give more programs and bring it for you guys. So thank you. Please encourage our channels, more and more programs we are bringing up. Encourage our channel by giving comments, like, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Thank you, guys.